In a world where style evolves fast and living spaces keep getting smarter, modern wooden furniture has become more than a trend, it's become a booming opportunity for makers, builders, and creative entrepreneurs. Buyers today don't just want a piece of furniture, they want something that feels fresh, purposeful, and unique. They want pieces that combine clean lines with durable craftsmanship, natural textures with modern function, and character with comfort. And that's exactly why contemporary wooden furniture has become one of the hottest categories for anyone looking to turn creativity into income. Whether you're crafting your first minimalist coffee table or designing a sleek floating shelf that transforms a blank wall into a showpiece, the demand is real and the profits can be impressive. What makes modern wood design so powerful isn't just the beauty of the wood grain or the satisfaction of a smooth finish. It's the way these pieces elevate a home. Contemporary furniture blends simplicity with sophistication, making it universal across home decor trends and interior styles. This makes it incredibly easy to sell, especially online, where shoppers scroll endlessly for the perfect statement piece to complete their space. Every build, no matter how simple, becomes an opportunity to express your creativity, an opportunity to solve a modern home need, and most importantly, an opportunity to earn real, steady money. This narration will walk you through the world of contemporary wood furniture, the designs, the techniques, the mindset, and the opportunities. You'll discover not only what people love to buy, but why they pay more for contemporary pieces and how you can position your craft to match their expectations. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore profitable ideas or a skilled maker wanting to expand your collection, this journey is designed to show you how modern wood furniture can become a meaningful source of income. The market is huge, the demand is high, and your creativity can unlock everything you need to succeed. Modern wood furniture thrives because it combines three things buyers chase constantly: simplicity, function, and style. People want pieces that aren't overloaded with details but still make an impression. That's why straight lines, geometric shapes, smooth surfaces, and minimalist silhouettes have taken over home decor. The beauty of this trend is that it works in your favor. Contemporary designs often require fewer tools, fewer cuts, and less complicated construction, which means faster building and higher profit margins. Think about the appeal of floating shelves. They look clean, elegant, and modern, yet they are one of the simplest builds. And they sell incredibly well because every home needs storage that doesn't take up floor space. Then there are sleek side tables with thin legs, narrow hall consoles, or wall-mounted nightstands, all pieces that can be created with minimal materials while still delivering premium value. Buyers love these pieces because they declutter their spaces and create a modern, open feel. As a maker, you get the advantage of lower costs, faster turnaround, and the possibility of selling multiple units with consistent quality. One of the strongest categories in modern wood furniture is Scandinavian-inspired design. These pieces rely on light colors, natural wood tones, and balanced proportions. They fit effortlessly into bedrooms, offices, and living rooms, making them some of the easiest furniture to market. A simple Scandinavian-style bench, for example, can become a high-value item when paired with quality wood and a comfortable finish. Even beginners can craft these benches using basic joinery, yet they look high-end and appeal to customers who appreciate both simplicity and craftsmanship. Another huge opportunity lies in multifunctional furniture, pieces that do more than one thing. Modern buyers love transforms, hidden storage, sliding panels, and modular designs. A wooden coffee table that lifts into a work desk, or a storage bench that doubles as seating, instantly stands out in marketplaces. These functional pieces not only attract attention but also justify higher pricing because they solve multiple problems at once. When a customer sees value, they see convenience, and when they see convenience, they're willing to spend more. Contemporary wood furniture also embraces contrast. Dark walnut paired with white accents, ashwood combined with black steel legs, or natural oak sitting on sleek metal frames give pieces a bold and sophisticated look. These combinations sell extremely well because they create a balance between warmth and strength. You don't need advanced metalworking skills to create mixed material designs. Even simple steel legs ordered online can transform a basic wooden top into a high-end modern table. The result is a premium piece that commands premium pricing. One of the biggest secrets in selling modern wooden furniture is understanding that buyers pay for aesthetics as much as they pay for function. Clean sanding, smooth finishes, and modern stains can elevate a piece dramatically. A simple table becomes desirable when the finish is perfectly even. A basic storage unit becomes luxurious when the wood grain is showcased with a satin top coat. Contemporary buyers appreciate the craftsmanship behind the scenes, the effort you put into edges, corners, symmetry, and alignment. It's this attention to detail that turns a regular project into a piece worth purchasing. Another important aspect is customization. Modern furniture shoppers love to personalize their experience. They want to choose colors, dimensions, and finishes that match their homes. Offering customization increases your chances of repeat sales and glowing reviews. When someone orders a minimalist bookshelf and later wants matching side tables, they will come straight to you. Contemporary design makes it easy to create consistent collections, everything from bedroom sets to office desks to wall-mounted decor pieces that share the same theme and style. Online platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram shops, and local craft fairs have made selling easier than ever. Contemporary furniture photographs beautifully because of its clean lines and modern shapes. With good lighting and a neutral background, even a beginner project can look like a boutique showroom piece. This visibility is one of the biggest advantages for anyone turning woodworking into income. When your product catches the eye, it draws buyers in, and modern furniture has the kind of universal appeal that makes this process almost effortless. Let's talk about materials. While hardwoods like walnut, oak, and maple are classic favorites, many modern designs also embrace plywood, bamboo, and engineered boards. These materials are not only cost-effective but extremely stable, which helps in creating perfectly aligned modern designs. Modern wooden furniture has a timeless charm wrapped in a fresh, contemporary style that today's buyers can't resist. By focusing on clean lines, functional designs, and thoughtful craftsmanship, you can turn simple builds into profitable pieces that enhance any home. Whether you're creating compact shelves, elegant tables, or multifunctional storage solutions, every project becomes a pathway for income and inspiration. If you enjoyed this narration and want more ideas that help turn creativity into profit, make sure to stay tuned, and we put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.